So how do you create a font on the iPad? Let's explain that and let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you become part of the community, and that way you'll not miss anything important. Okay, so what you can do is to open up the App Store and look up an application which is titled Foxtecc, which is basically, even the title is pretty self-explanatory. You can download the app, and this one will allow you to literally draw and create your own font, right? So you can just get inside of the app, right? You'll be able to get it there, perhaps sign in with your account, like you might be asked to do so. But once you get inside, you can see that this is what it looks like, and you can pick at first like a template in which style you want to create your font in. Like obviously, you're not gonna repeat the exact same characters, but you're gonna get it like a template, and you will slightly change it, of course, based on your preference and your handwriting. But let's say you pick like the regular font, like the first one, right? And you get like a template with all of the letters, so you have to manually like fill them out, right? Obviously add your own style to it, so don't like try to repeat as much as you can see right here. So that might not be ideal, but you can make it a little bit different like that, and that is at the end of the day going to be the font, right? So you're going to perform it for all of the letters. You can do it for the numbers as well, and like the special characters and all of the other things, right? And that's how you can actually finish with that file, right? So you can export it as a font file when you tap on the share icon in the top right corner, and you'll be able to actually do this, right? So you can also just install it right away on your device. But yeah, it kind of asks you, perhaps maybe you'll need to be able to only do it with a subscription. I'm not sure how exactly it works right now, but that's kind of how you can do this generally on the iPad. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.